Restroom Cleaning Task System Outline. Team name is Happy Robot. There are currently more than 57,000 convenience stores in Japan. Therefore, a large amount of money is required to introduce restroom cleaning robots at all convenience stores. As a solution, our strategy is developing a low-cost, small, and highly versatile restroom cleaning robot to introduce it in more convenience stores. This is the restroom cleaning robot Happy Burger. In order to reduce the development costs and time, we used Roomba as the base, which is relatively easy to obtain and inexpensive. Other features include an arm that uses a servo motor to pick up toilet paper tubes and paper cups. In addition, Hokuyo's UTM30LX is installed to build a map and self-localization. Our main effort is the development of robot vision system and robot arm control system for wiping toilet bowl with deep reinforcement learning. In WRS 2018, the deep learning, WRO-V3, is used to recognize and localize the toilet paper tubes. Toilet paper tubes and paper cups learned by the deep learning are recognized by the camera attached on the top of Happy Burger and picked up by the arm. However, YOLO cannot estimate the pose of tubes, so the deep learning, mask RCNN, is used for object recognition and semantic segmentation. Next, use a mop attached to the arm to wipe off the simulated urine. Toilet bowl cleaning also uses deep learning to recognize the simulated urine on the top and sides of the toilet seat. In WRS 2018, we taught the robot arm the trajectory of cleaning motion. In WRS 2020, we plan to develop a deep reinforcement learning system that the robot learns the trajectory of cleaning motion. By itself, the system can be adapted to many kinds of toilet bowls. These systems are used to clean the simulated urine on the toilet and clean up the garbage scattered on the floor. Scraps of toilet paper can be sucked by Roomba. However, since tubes and paper cups are too large to be sucked by Roomba, those garbage are picked up by the arm and thrown away in the trash box. The robot is operated by the system operation flow. First, the robot performs floor cleaning, that is garbage collection. Next, the robot cleans the toilet bowl, and returns to the initial position when someone presses a button or the competition time is less than 60 seconds. The problem of the current Happy Burger is a little bit big to be used in the real restroom. Therefore, we are considering the miniaturization of the robot in the World Robot Summit 2020. Thank you for attention.